The Council of Chiefs, composed of former chiefs of the Philippine National Police, strongly condemns the irresponsible statement made by retired AFP Brigadier General, now a senior PAGCOR official, Raul Villanueva, during the Senate investigation of illegal pugos last September 17, 2024.
Kinundina ng grupo ng mga dating hepe ng Philippine National Police si PAGCOR official Raul Villanueva dahil sa pahayag nitong may ex-PNP chief na tumulong umano kay Alice Guo na makalabas ng Pilipinas. Sa binasang pahayag ni Senador Ronald Bato de la Rosa ng grupong Council of Chiefs, nakasaad dito ang pagkadismaya nila sa akusasyong ito na isang malinaw na paninirang puri sa kanila.
This is a sweeping accusation which maligns and brings dishonor to all of us, former chiefs, who have dedicated the best years of our lives in the service of the Filipino nation. Although we are now retired, we continuously uphold our integrity to the highest standards and our solemn pledge to serve and protect our country and people.
Hinamon din ng grupo si Villanueva na linisin ang pangalan ng mga dating opisyal na hindi sangkot sa issue at humingi ng paumanhin.
However, if the information turns out false after validating the report, we hereby demand a public apology, no less, from the same officer.
Inamin naman ni Villanueva sa Senado na hindi pa kumpirmado ang mga inihag niyang impormasyon sa pagdinig.
It's just unfortunate, sir, na hindi pa confirmed tong mga initial information. That's why unconfirmed information is considered not an intelligence data, not actionable at all. Therefore, it is not yet valid.
Anya, batid din niya na may hindi magandang implikasyon sa mga dating opisyal ng PNP ang kanyang pagkakamali sa paghahayag ng unverified information. Sa huli, humingi din ito ng paumanhin sa kanyang mga sinabi.
I hold in respect yung mga chief PNP natin. Kasi parang AFP din yan, sir. Galing akong AFP. Kadamihan sa kanila naman kilala ko. And I know they have their own legacies. Kaya I qualified it earlier in the last Senate hearing na raw information to. Walang, I don't want to put malice on our chief PNPs. I'm sorry kung yan ang paka-interpret ng mga chief PNPs natin.
So at least when you say you're sorry, does that mean to this committee that you are already issuing a public apology?
Yes, Your Honor, to say it very bluntly.
Asher Cadapan Jr., UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahalagahan.